Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. Check if the monitor includes built-in speakers or an audio output. Once done, identify the cable type you will use. HDMI and DisplayPort carry sound, while VGA needs a separate 3.5 cable. Make sure your computer and GPU drivers are updated so the system recognizes audio devices. You want to avoid driver mismatches that block sound. If you've got the right cables and drivers updated, proceed to connect and configure the audio output in your operating system. You now make the physical connections. Plug HDMI or DisplayPort into the monitor or run a 3.5 cable from your PC's headphone jack to the monitor's audio in. Once connected, open Sound Settings and select the monitor or digital audio device as the default output. This tells the system to route sound there. Then adjust both system volume and the monitor's on-screen volume. Make sure nothing is muted. If you use DisplayPort, also check monitor input source so audio follows the active video signal. To finish, play an audio file or stream and listen carefully. Change system apps to ensure they use the selected output. If you hear nothing, make sure cables are firmly seated and the monitor is set to the correct input. Also verify the monitor's internal speaker volume isn't at 0. If problems persist, update audio and display drivers, swap cables, or change digital audio formats in Sound Settings. These steps fix common incompatibilities and restore audio fast. One quick tip: test with another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.